Hi, this is Ed Gonfandini. I'm doing another mini tutorial. This is continuing a series on the drawers. I covered the edge banding a little bit. Now we're going to do the pocket screw method, which is what I prefer to use. And the reason I like to do it instead of glues and staples and screws and dovetails is simply this. It's easy to change, okay? Suppose a customer changes their mind or there's a snafu, mismeasurements, who knows what. You can take your drawer box, it's assembled with a pocket screw, and you can change it 20 minutes and you're done. Take it apart, put it back together. You still got your drawer. You haven't got to start over and have a pile of scrap in the corner. Not that we make mistakes. Nobody does that. But anyway, a couple different ways of doing pocket screws. This is the very basic, simple system here. This is not my favorite. I've used this in the past. And I still have this setup. This is my multi-station. Anyway, so this is a drawer side, and this is what we call the front and back. It's got the F&B on it. It's got its dados. It's been edge banded. Now all we're going to do, now this is for a deep drawer, so you're going to need several. Now I got a drill here that I got at a swap meet for $3 or $5 or something, dedicated. This is the only place I use it. You get your Kreg bit. And because it's a top, or a deep drawer rather, we're going to do more than two. We're going to do now. That's it for that one, that end. Now we do both ends, and then this is the hard way to do it. But if you're a hobbyist, or you got a small batch, or you're just building your own kitchen, this is fine. Next I'm going to do is show you what you do when you got a regular thing going, okay? Hang on. Now let's say you're, for instance, do a large batch, or you do this on a regular basis with the pocket screws, and this is my method I choose to do the drawers. I did the other ones on the regular Kreg fixture. This is a machine that I got set up. It's actually two machines, and what you do is you gang them together. Now I wish the manufacturer had given us a much closer ability to get these much tighter together, because I'd like to be able to do is gang them together and do 4 or 5 pocket screws all at one shot, spaced about 1.25 inches apart or something like that. But the manufacturer didn't see fit to do that, so this is the best I can get. Okay, so now we do that, and you can actually gang the holes both together. Now if you want another one in the middle, boom. There you go, all done. Much quicker and easier, works out the same. My preferred method for drawers. Thank you.